Hello, my dear students and all the subscribers. Welcome in our today's class. Today we will study about acetylation or acylation of amine. In previous lectures, we had completed three chemical properties of amine. First one, that is alkylation of amine. Second one, carbylamine reaction of amine. And third one, Hoffman's elimination reaction of amine. Now today we will study about acetylation or acylation of amine. Acetylation, A-C-E-T-Y-L-A-T-I-O-N, acetylation, or this acetylation also called acylation, A-C-Y-L-A-T-I-O-N, acylation of amine. Now this topic is very much important as compared to board point of view as well as a NEET point of view. Now question would arise, what is acetylation? The name itself indicates its meaning. Ation means addition. Acetyl means CH3C double bond O group. So CH3C double bond O group, this group is called as acetyl group, and ation means addition. Therefore addition of acetyl group on amine is called as acetylation of amine. So those reaction in which acetyl group is added on amine, that reaction is called as acetylation of amine. Or replacement of hydrogen from nitrogen atom of amine by acetyl group is called as acetylation of amine. बेटा दोनों में से डेफिनेशन कोई भी लिखो, मार्क्स पूरे मिलेंगे. तो बेटा एक डेफिनेशन क्या बोल रही बेटा, एडिशन ऑफ एसिटाइल ग्रुप ऑन अमाइन इज कॉल्ड एज एसिटाइलेशन ऑफ अमाइन. और बेटा सेकेंड डेफिनेशन बेटा, रिप्लेसमेंट ऑफ हाइड्रोजन फ्रॉम नाइट्रोजन एटम ऑफ अमाइन बाय एसिटाइल ग्रुप इज कॉल्ड एज एसिटाइलेशन. तो बेटे अमाइन के ऊपर एसिटाइल ग्रुप का एडिशन, उसे बोलेंगे हम एसिटाइलेशन ऑफ अमाइन. या बेटे अमाइन के नाइट्रोजन एटम के साथ जो हाइड्रोजन एटम है उसका रिप्लेसमेंट किसको यूज करके, एसिटाइल ग्रुप को यूज करके, दैट रिएक्शन इज कॉल्ड एज एसिटाइलेशन ऑफ अमाइन. ओके. Now this acetylation is carried out by using acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride formula CH3C double bond OCl. Or this acetylation will be carried out by using acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride formula CH3C double bond O, C double bond O, CH3. तो बेटा अमाइन का एसिटाइलेशन होता या तो बेटा एसिटिल क्लोराइड को यूज करके या बेटा एसिटिक अनहाइड्राइड को यूज करके. एंड दिस एसिटिल क्लोराइड एंड एसिटिक अनहाइड्राइड इज एक्ट्स एज एन एसिटाइलेटिंग एजेंट. बेटा ये एसिटिल क्लोराइड और एसिटिक अनहाइड्राइड क्या काम करेंगे बेटा, एसिटाइलेटिंग एजेंट. एसिटाइलेटिंग एजेंट मीन्स दोज कंपाउंड विच हेल्प इन एसिटाइलेशन. जैसा बेटा हम बोलते हैं ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट विच हेल्प इन ऑक्सीडेशन, रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट विच हेल्प इन रिडक्शन. Similarly, acetylating agent which help in acetylation. So acetylation is carried out by using acetyl chloride an acetic anhydride as an acetylating agent. Now this acetylation takes place in presence of pyridine as an solvent. Acetylation होता बेटा pyridine के presence में, and this pyridine acts as an solvent. पायरिडीन बेटा काम करता है किसका? सॉल्वेंट का. सॉल्वेंट मीन्स दोज कंपाउंड इन विच सैल्यूट गेट डिजॉल्व. बेटा वो कंपाउंड जिसमें सैल्यूट डिजॉल्व होता, दैट कंपाउंड इज कॉल्ड एज सॉल्वेंट. सो एसिटाइलेशन टेक्स प्लेस इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ पायरिडीन एज एन सॉल्वेंट. नाउ कीप वन थिंग इन योर माइंड. Acetylation depend upon number of hydrogen atom attached to nitrogen atom of amine. Acetylation बेटा डिपेंड करता कि अमाइन में नाइट्रोजन के पास कितने हाइड्रोजन है. If nitrogen contain the hydrogen, then amine undergoes acetylation. If nitrogen do not contain the hydrogen, then amine do not undergoes acetylation. तो बेटे अमाइन में नाइट्रोजन के पास हाइड्रोजन है तो बेटा एसिटाइलेशन होगा, हाइड्रोजन नहीं है तो बेटा एसिटाइलेशन नहीं होगा. राइट. नाउ वी नो दैट टर्शियरी अमाइन डू नॉट अंडरगोज एसिटाइलेशन ड्यू टू एब्सेंस ऑफ हाइड्रोजन ऑन नाइट्रोजन एटम ऑफ अमाइन. बेटे प्राइमरी अमाइन का फॉर्मूला RnH2. आगे सब समझ में आता बेटा. प्राइमरी अमाइन का फॉर्मूला बेटा RnH2. सो नाइट्रोजन कंटेन 2 हाइड्रोजन. तो बेटा उसका एसिटाइलेशन 2 बार होगा. किसका? प्राइमरी अमाइन का. सेकेंडरी अमाइन का फॉर्मूला बेटा R2NH. सेकेंडरी अमाइन कंटेन 1 हाइड्रोजन एटम अटैच टू नाइट्रोजन. तो बेटा सेकेंडरी अमाइन का एसिटाइलेशन 1 बार होगा. टर्शियरी अमाइन का फॉर्मूला बेटा R3N. नाउ टर्शियरी अमाइन डू नॉट कंटेन दी हाइड्रोजन, देयरफॉर टर्शियरी अमाइन डू नॉट अंडरगोज एसिटाइलेशन. सो प्राइमरी अमाइन 2 times undergoes acetylation due to presence of 2 hydrogen atom on nitrogen atom of amine. Secondary amine undergoes 1 time acetylation because nitrogen atom contain 1 hydrogen. Tertiary amine do not contain the hydrogen on nitrogen atom, therefore it do not undergoes acetylation. Therefore primary, secondary and tertiary amine react differently on acetylation. Hence acetylation reaction is used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amine. तो बेटा तीनों अमाइन का एसिटाइलेशन डिफरेंट होगा. प्राइमरी डिफरेंटली रिएक्ट करेगा, सेकेंडरी अमाइन डिफरेंटली रिएक्ट करेगा, टर्शियरी अमाइन बेटा डिफरेंटली रिएक्ट करेगा. इसलिए बेटा इस रिएक्शन का यूज करके हम प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी और टर्शियरी अमाइन को डिस्टिंग्विश कर सकते. ओके. एनी डिफिकल्टी अप टू हियर? इट इज द बेसिक अबाउट दिस एसिटाइलेशन. ये बेटा एसिटाइलेशन का बेटा बेस है, बेसिक चीजें है. मीनिंग किसका यूज करके एसिटाइलेशन होगा, किसके प्रेजेंस में होगा, किसका एसिटाइलेशन होगा, किसका नहीं होगा. राइट. नाउ वी विल सी रिएक्शंस ऑफ एसिटाइलेशन ऑफ अमाइन. चलिए फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सी एसिटाइलेशन ऑफ प्राइमरी अमाइन. एसिटाइलेशन ऑफ प्राइमरी अमाइन. व्हाट इज प्राइमरी अमाइन? दोज अमाइन कंटेनिंग 1 alkyl group, that amine is called as primary amine. तो बेटा वो अमाइन जिसमें एक अल्काइल ग्रुप होता है, that amine is called as primary amine. Now when primary amine undergoes acetylation, then it forms monoacetyl alkyl amine, and then diacetyl. It is diacetyl. DIACETYL. Diacetyl alkylamine. So 2 times primary amine undergoes acetylation. On first acetylation it forms monoacetyl alkylamine, and on second acetylation it forms diacetyl alkylamine. Now see how reaction takes place. See a reaction. Primary amine RNH2. So when primary amine heated with acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine as an solvent. तो बेटा जब प्राइमरी अमाइन को हीट करेंगे एसिटिल क्लोराइड के साथ, so RNH2 it is primary amine. So when primary amine heated with acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine as an solvent. अब बेटा these Cl combine with one hydrogen to form the HCl. ये बेटा Cl combined हुआ हाइड्रोजन के साथ, ये बना बेटा HCl. Now what will left here? RNH. From here CH3 C double bond O. Now this carbon attached with nitrogen to form RNH single bond C double bond O CH3. RNH single bond C double bond O CH3, and this compound is called monoacetyl alkyl amine. इसे बोलते हैं बेटा monoacetyl alkyl amine. So when primary amine undergoes first acetylation in presence of pyridine as an solvent, then it forms monoacetyl alkyl amine. Now this nitrogen contain one more hydrogen, therefore it undergoes second acetylation. बेटा यहाँ नाइट्रोजन पे एक और हाइड्रोजन है, इसलिए बेटा इसका acetylation एक बार फिर होगा. So this monoacetyl alkyl amine again undergoes acetylation by using acetyl chloride. Then this Cl combine with H. Cl बेटा combine हुआ H के साथ, they combines to form HCl. Now what will left here? R single bond N, C double bond O CH3. Here CH3C double bond O. ऐसे बेटा दो ग्रुप हो गए ना, तो ये बेटा R सिंगल बॉन्ड N, सिंगल बॉन्ड C डबल बॉन्ड O CH3. अब बेटा CH3 दो हो गए ना, तो बेटा ये टेकन ट्वाइस, राइट. अब बेटा इतने का नाम एसिटाइल. कितने एसिटाइल है बेटा? दो. देयरफॉर इट इज डाई एसिटाइल, और ये बेटा अल्काइल अमाइन. So diacetyl alkyl amine. So primary amine undergoes first acetylation by using acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine as an solvent. Then it forms monoacetyl alkyl amine. Monoacetyl alkyl amine again undergoes acetylation to form diacetyl alkyl amine. So here primary amine contain two hydrogen atom on nitrogen atom of amine. Therefore, it undergoes two times acetylation. Okay. Now see the example. C2H5NH2. It is ethylamine. So when ethylamine heated with acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine as an solvent. Now these hydrogen combine with Cl to form HCl. HCl means hydrogen chloride or hydrochloric acid. Now what will left here? C2H5NH. From here CH3C double bond O. They combines to form C2H5NH, C double bond O CH3. Now this much group is called acetyl, and it is ethylamine. So it is monoacetyl ethylamine. So when ethylamine undergoes first acetylation in presence of pyridine as an solvent, then it forms monoacetyl ethylamine. Now this monoacetyl ethylamine again undergoes acetylation. So these hydrogen combine with Cl to form HCl. Now what will left here? C2H5N C double bond OCH3. From here CH3 C double bond O. ऐसे बेटा दो ग्रुप हो गए ना. So C2H5 N C double bond OCH3 taken twice. Right? So this group is called acetyl group. Two acetyl groups are there. Therefore it is diacetyl. It is ethylamine. So diacetyl ethylamine. So when primary amine heated with acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine as an solvent, first it form monoacetyl alkylamine. Monoacetyl alkylamine again undergoes acetylation to form diacetyl alkylamine. Example, ethylamine. So ethylamine undergoes first acetylation to form monoacetyl ethylamine. It again undergoes acetylation, then it forms diacetyl ethylamine. So in this way, acetylation of primary amine is carried out. Now we will see acetylation of secondary and tertiary amine. So after acetylation of primary amine, we will see acetylation of secondary amine. What is secondary amine? Those amine containing two alkyl group. Right? Now we know that secondary amine contain only one hydrogen attached to nitrogen atom of amine. बेटा सेकेंडरी अमाइन में नाइट्रोजन के साथ बेटा सिर्फ एक हाइड्रोजन रहता, इसलिए बेटा इसका एसिटाइलेशन एक बार होगा. कितनी बार होगा? एक बार. सो व्हेन सेकेंडरी अमाइन undergoes acetylation in presence of pyridine as an solvent, then it form monoacetyl dialkylamine. जैसा बेटा वहां पे डाइएसिटाइल अल्काइल अमाइन फॉर्म होता, यहां बेटा मोनोएसिटाइल डाइअल्काइल अमाइन फॉर्म होगा. सो सेकेंडरी अमाइन undergoes acetylation in presence of pyridine as an solvent to form monoacetyl dialkyl amine. Now see reaction RNHR, it is secondary amine. So secondary amine heated with acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine as an solvent. Now these hydrogen combine with Cl to form HCl. हाइड्रोजन बेटे कंबाइन हुआ Cl के साथ, फॉर्म हुआ बेटा HCl. Now what will left here? RNR. From here CH3C double bond O. They combines to form R single bond NR single bond C double bond O CH3. Right? Now this CH3C double bond O group is called acetyl and it is dialkyl amine. How many acetyl groups are there? Mono, one. Therefore it is mono. So monoacetyl dialkyl amine. अब बेटा इसका फिर सेकेंड एसिटाइलेशन होगा क्या? नहीं होगा. क्यों नहीं होगा बेटा? बिकॉज नाइट्रोजन डू नॉट कंटेन हाइड्रोजन. सो सेकेंडरी अमाइन heated with acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine as an solvent, then it form monoacetyl dialkyl amine. ठीक है? Now see the example. C2H5 NHC2H5, it is diethyl amine. So when diethyl amine heated with acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine as an solvent. Now these hydrogen combine with Cl to form HCl. Now what will left here? C2H5 and C2H5. From here, CH3C double bond O. They combines to gives C2H5, single bond N C2H5, single bond C double bond O, CH3. Now this group is called monoacetyl and it is diethylamine. So it is monoacetyl diethylamine. Monoacetyl diethylamine. So when diethylamine undergoes acetylation in presence of pyridine as an solvent, then it forms monoacetyl diethylamine. Okay, take another example. CH3 single bond NH C2H5. CH3 NH C2H5. It is ethyl methylamine. Ethyl methylamine. So when ethyl methylamine heated with acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine as an solvent. So these H combine with Cl to form HCl. ये बेटा H कंबाइन हुआ बेटा Cl के साथ, ये बेटा कंबाइन हुआ बना HCl हाइड्रोजन क्लोराइड. What will left here? CH3NC2H5. From here CH3C double bond O, they combines to form CH3N C2H5 C double bond O CH3. Now it is monoacetyl and it is ethyl methylamine. So it is monoacetyl ethyl methylamine. So when ethyl methylamine heated with acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine as an solvent, then it form monoacetyl ethyl methylamine. So in this way secondary amine undergoes acetylation. Why secondary amine do not undergo second acetylation? Because it contains only one hydrogen attached to nitrogen. Why primary amine undergoes two time acetylation? Because primary amine contain two hydrogen atom attached to nitrogen. Understood? Any difficulty up to here? Now see here the acetylation of tertiary amine. So when tertiary amine do not undergoes acetylation, बेटा tertiary amine का acetylation नहीं होगा. Why do not undergoes acetylation? Due to absence of hydrogen. It is hydrogen. So due to absence of hydrogen on nitrogen atom of amine. So in tertiary amine there is no hydrogen attached to nitrogen. Therefore tertiary amine do not undergoes acetylation. Now reaction R3N, it is tertiary amine plus CH3C double bond OCl, it is acetyl chloride, right, in presence of pyridine. Then no reaction is takes place or no compound will form. No reaction will takes place or no compound will form. Why no reaction? Reaction not takes place here or no compound will form here. Tertiary amine do not contain the hydrogen atom of nitrogen atom of amine. Right? बेटा ये एग्जाम में लिखना पड़ेगा आपको. No compound will form. No reaction will takes place. Right? Now take the example. C2H5 taken thrice N. It is triethyl amine. So when triethyl amine react with acetyl chloride in presence of pyridine, then no reaction is carried out. No compound will form. Why? Due to absence of hydrogen on nitrogen atom of amine. बेटे अमाइन के नाइट्रोजन पे कोई हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट नहीं है. Therefore acetylation of tertiary amine is not possible. So primary amine undergoes two time acetylation. Secondary amine undergoes one time acetylation. And tertiary amine do not undergoes acetylation. Means all the three amines react differently on acetylation. Therefore acetylation reaction is used to distinguish between primary, secondary and tertiary amine. Okay? Understood? Any difficulty up to here? See once again. It is the acetylation of primary amine. Right? It is the acetylation of secondary amine. And it is the acetylation of tertiary amine. So, in this way, acetylation of amine is carried out. Today we will stop here. In next period we will continue.